Guys, ito yung mga gamit ni Julian na binili namin. So now we check each one by one so that we know if there is a lacking, so that she will go to school tomorrow now. One is Bible. Put here. Mathematical table. I think it's down here. Check. Scientific calculator.
Ano kaya?
Melody Campus.
Ako ko ba?
Green paper.
Pang.
Check green paper. Okay. 10 pieces of exercise book. This is 10. 2, 6, 8, 10. 10 guys. Photocopy, we're done. Photocopy of birth certificate is here. And photocopy of your result is here. 3 padlocks. Padlocks. Okay. Slipper. Black shoes, leather shoes. Towel. Bathing soap and washing soap. Bathing soap and washing soap. Shoe polish and brush. And that one brush again. Dozen of pencils. Pencils and biros. Pens and pencil.
Isa to.
Pens. Okay, pens. Pens and pencils, guys. Yeah. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Is that? Tissue and sanitary. This one. Yeah. This is 10 tissues. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 tissues. Down. And 10 sanitary pad. 1 mosquito net. 2 petticoats. 2 half petticoats. Ito, pitoy coats. Ay, this one is for me. Akin to guys, wala, hindi yan kasama. Two petticoats. Geometrical, see. You have. Okay, geometrical seat. And two night dress. Ito yung dress nila pang gabi. Pang gabi. Can you try to fit this one?
I tried it to wear. It is fit.
Okay. And the metal box. This one is the metal box. So we go now to where is the others? This one. Two blankets. Ito yung blanket nila. Two blankets. Bucket, container. This one. Bucket. And mattress. Mattress, guys. Ito yung mattress. Two bed sheets. This is two.
Yeah.
Okay, two. And bed cover. Ito yung cover sa mattress. And what else there? Finish. It's down there. Bag. Ah, yeah. Bag. But this one is not here. Right? It's school bag. And school bag siya. Tapos yung oil. Body oil. Yeah, check all of that. Tapos ito sa plato at cup roller. Nail cutter. Tapos ito file. At saka grab. Exercise grab. That's all guys. Yung nabili namin so complete na si Jeria. Silent. Kompleto na si Jeria guys.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, now you can put back. Because we are done showing to them. So tomorrow guys, we're going to the school of Jeria. That should be today. But hindi namin nakukumpleto yung mga requirements. Kasi yung hindi namin na yung pera. So yung nagastos namin guys is 76,681 Kenyan shilling. Yan, divide nyo lang po ng 2 yun sa piso. Tapos yung nalikom namin is ano lang 66,407. Ano, negative guys. Yung 10,274 Kenyan shilling ko ay nawala na. Woo! Tapos bukas punta pa kami para mag-transport nito. Wala na, ubos na pera ko guys. My goodness. Pero okay lang, para ano na din siya. Matapos na ako dito guys kasi uuwi na ako. Pagkatapos bukas, uwi na din ako uwi na din ako sa Asban. So ito yun. Salamat pala sa mga sponsors namin. Lalong-lalo na ka Ma'am Gina. Ka Ma'am Gina na napipay siya ng tuition fee whole year. 36,500 and yung school uniform ano din siya, nag-sponsor siya ng school uniform. Ito po yung receipt na ma'am na binayad namin doon kanina 36,500. Tapos yung school uniform doon kami sa school magbabayad tomorrow. Hindi lang school uniform yung babayaran namin tomorrow is almost 12,000 din kasi may maintenance and i-name pa to lahat yung mga gamit para hindi na nakawin ng iba. May name everything na mayroon si Jeria. So ito i-attach namin to. Ganito siya. Tapos ipapas namin doon pag mag-i-enter kami. So may ano pala din ako dito guys, i-fill up Ako na din yung guardian niya, guys. Kasi walang ID yung ano niya, mama, wala dito. Yung papa niya sa birth certificate hindi nakalagay. So parang wala. Unknown. So Jeria, you thank to your sponsors. Let me this one. Wait, ipipis ko ka, Jeria.
I will take this opportunity to all sponsors because she was helping me to go to school. Ma'am Gina from Pondol on Bohol. I say thank you for helping me the school fees.
Look here.
Tuition fee whole year and the uniform. I say thank you. And then Ma'am Badet from Taiwan, I say thank you for helping me to go to school. And then Ma'am J Love Lifestyle Original, I say thank you for helping me to go to school. Ma'am Secret from USA, I say thank you, God and bless you. Ma'am Love F from Hong Kong, I say thank you. Uncle Joshua, Aunt Myla, and Uncle Bernard, I say thank you for helping me to go to school. All the sponsors, God help you again to help me to go to school, and then I finish to get the grade of the school. I say thank you. I will work hard. Then when I will work hard and then to school again to help me. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, read again the names. Ma'am Jenna. Just only name. Ma'am Jenna.
Ma'am Jenna from
Ma'am Jenna.
Ma'am Badet. Ma'am Jelaf. Ma'am Secrets. Ma'am
Renafi.
Lenafi. Uncle Joshua. And Smila and Uncle Bernard, I say thank you.
Okay. Your sponsor says you study well. No boyfriend.
Yes.
Don't disappoint us.
Okay.
Give us high grade. Just try where you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, you study.
The early bird catches the worm.
Hmm?
The early bird catches the worm.
Okay.
Yeah. I will work hard in the school. I'm staying to work to read the story books to get the good grade.
Yeah.
And then we can help me to another here.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah.
And God bless you again.
Yeah. Okay. You
are
don't
very-
disappoint us, Jeria.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will not disappoint you because you are helping more. Even you are not you, I will not go to school because my
Yeah.
daddy they will not have money.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Your sponsor says also you're welcome. So tomorrow we early going to school.
Yeah.
Carry all these things and we pay school uniform there and then you enter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for
All
helping
right.
me to go to school.
Yeah. Okay. Now you put this one inside. I keep it. Okay. Ito yung dadalhin niya bukas, guys. Itong bag, mattress, metal box, yung balde, at saka itong isang planggana. Uy, may pinya pa sa sa ilalim. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Bye-bye. Look at the view here.